Throughout recent history, automakers have found themselves the target of federal requirements pertaining to everything from fuel efficiency to safety equipment. But this might be a new one. Reports have surfaced regarding a lawmaker in Brazil who has proposed a bill that would add another mandate to the country's auto industry. It wants to force automakers to sell amphibious cars. And while it sounds a little bit off, the report suggests that the goal, at least, is reasonable. According to Car Scoops, the author of Bill 1824-24 believes that making cars that work on both land and water could help save lives in areas that are prone to flooding. The report adds the vehicles would adhere to technical and safety requirements laid out by the Brazilian government. The bill's author, Deputy Clodoaldo Magalhães, was quoted as saying the amphibious cars will contribute to the protection of the lives and property of citizens, enabling more agile and effective responses in emergency situations. The proposed bill comes on the heels of an April heavy rain event that produced what is considered to be Brazil's worst flooding in 80+ years. In 2023, there were 3 other catastrophic floods. While there are major questions around whether automakers could or would be able to dump millions into designing and developing these types of vehicles, that's not the only potential barrier. The proposal would need to clear multiple rounds of scrutiny and then be approved by Brazil's House and Senate, leading observers to suggest that it is unlikely to survive. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.